Hello, and happy Monday, everyone. All right, so let's take a look at our reading assignments for the week. So if we take a look, my computer is being a little slow, so bear with me. We have a reading assignment on LeBron James on Monday. Tuesday, you guys are going to do questions 1 and 2 on the circuit extended text questions, and you'll finish the other 2 questions the next day. There are, as per usual, there are no assignments on Thursday or makeup work day. And then I have my Zoom office hours from 12 to 3 on Friday. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our assignments for the week. So you guys are going to scroll down, and you guys are going to go into our folder. And in our folder, you're going to find our weekly assignments. The first assignment that we're actually going to work on is our LeBron James reading intervention assignment. So every time I have been creating stuff for this assignment, my brain goes to the bun, LeBron James, but that's just me. All right, so for part 1, you guys will be doing your vocabulary word assignment. So you guys have to look up the definition of the word amateur and the word emerge and basically create a fuller, more meaningful definition for those words by completing those steps. And then, whoopsie, I forgot to change the title. LeBron James. So read the text LeBron James in Freckle. And after every new section, so they're highlighted down here for you, you're going to stop and write your checkpoints. So you'll have 6 checkpoints this time. So that's 1 less than usual. And then last but not least, take a screenshot of your score and submit it below. If you're working on a computer that you can't screenshot on because it doesn't have the Chrome buttons, if you could do Miss Welch a favor and quickly just Google how to take a screenshot on your computer. If not, you can tell me what score you got, but I will verify that score in Freckle itself. And with that, your Monday assignment is complete. All right, so this is your Tuesday and Thursday assignment. Or excuse me, Tuesday and Wednesday assignment. Excuse me for 1 second. So this is a short answer assignment where it wants you to go back and take a closer look at the text. And so as you can see in the directions right here, it says cite text evidence to support your answer. So for this first question, it wants you to identify the setting and where and when this story takes place shape the characters and how the story kind of feels in general. Use descriptive details from the text to support your answer. So you're basically explaining how does the setting of the story affect how the characters act and kind of how the story feels. This one is telling you to focus on paragraph 23. All right, of the circuit. What is the meaning of the word savoring as it is used in the paragraph? What is the narrator savor? Explain how the author's choice to use the word savoring help reveals the narrator's feelings in this paragraph. So for you to complete this question, you really need to understand what the word savor means. And then you would have to explain, well, why would the author choose a word with this meaning to explain what he's savoring, what he's holding on to? That's going to be your assignment. So for 1 day, your goal is to just get these 2 done. The next day, you guys are going to work on getting these 2 done. So this one wants you to reread paragraphs 1 and 2 of the circuit. So just that first little bit of exposition where the story starts. What do these paragraphs tell you about the narrator's past and the current situation? All right. So it says use at least 2 details from the text to support your answer. So in this case, you'd want 1 text evidence about his past and then 1 piece of text evidence about the current situation on the farm. From the details given in paragraph 2, what can you infer about the narrator's life? So once again, it's telling you to where directly it wants given this from. What can you figure out about his life that isn't directly stated but is fairly easy to figure out? And with that, those are your major reading assignments for the week. You will have a writing assignment on Thursday, but no reading assignments. And then on Friday, you are welcome to come in for my Zoom office hours. I haven't had a lot of people popping in, so if you are planning on coming, great. I would love to see you. Please send me an email because if nobody shows up after the first 30 minutes, I cancel the meeting and then you can't join if you're coming later. So if you are planning on joining, you're just coming later, just send us a quick email so I know to keep the video chat up for you. All right. And with that, have a great week, guys, and I cannot wait to see you in writing.